Good morning, students. Welcome to the today's class. Today we are going to start the first chapter of geometry, the basic concepts in geometry. Now, this chapter here, we will see the basic concepts such as point, line, and plane. Like in algebra or in arithmetic, we do not define the numbers because they are the basic concepts. Same way, point, line, and plane, these are the basic concepts in geometry. Lines and planes, they are the set of points. So this line, it is used in a sense of a straight line. So now first let us observe this number line here in the figure. Now on this number line, you can see there is a origin which is denoted by O. Then points D and E, they are on the right side of origin, and points A, B, C on the left side of the origin. Now related to every point on the number line, there is a number. Like with point O, the number related is 0. With D, it is 1. With E, it is 3. With C, it is -2. With B, it is -3. And with A, it is -5. So these points, points which these numbers which are related to the points, they are called as the coordinates of the points. So in the above number line, 0 is the coordinate of O, 1 is the coordinate of D, 3 is the coordinate of E, -2 the coordinate of C, -3 the coordinate of B, and -5 the coordinate of A. Here the point D on the respectively. So now you can also find out the distance of these points from the other point on the number line. For example, here this O is the origin. So the point D to the right, you count here, it is at a distance of 1 unit from O. Point E is at a distance of 3 units from O. Now here between the distance between the points C and D, if you want to calculate, then you just count the number of unit distances 1, 2, 3. So point D, it is at a distance of 3 units from C. Point B is at a distance of, to find out how far this point B is from D, find out the unit distance or count the unit distances 1, 2, 3, 4. So point B is at a distance of 4 units from D. So now let us find out the distance with the help of coordinates of the point. Now to find out the distance between the to find the distance between the 2 points, here what we should do here, this one, we should subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger one. Now the coordinate of the points D and E are 1 and 3 respectively. So 3 is greater than 1. Therefore the distance between the point E and D is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Clear? Now distance between the point E and D is denoted by DED. Therefore the distance DE will be given by larger coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. So this is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So distance ED is equal to length ED is equal to 2. Now if you want to find out the distance CD, now see in the figure here, coordinate of the point C is -2 and coordinate of the point D is 1. So -2 is smaller than -2 is smaller than 1. So distance CD will be given by 1 minus -2. So minus into minus is plus, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So distance CD is equal to 3. Thus we see, similarly we can find out the distance AB. Distance AB, here the coordinate of the point A is -5 and coordinate of B is -3. So again this one -3 is greater than -5. So distance AB will be given by -3 minus -5. So that is equal to -3 plus 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So from the above examples, it is clear that distance between the two distinct points is always a positive number. Note that if the 2 points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Thus we have to remember these two things. The distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate, and distance between any 2 points is always a non-negative real number. Non-negative real number means it can be 0 or positive. Now next we will see what do you mean by the betweenness. Now betweenness means here if these 3 P, Q and R, these are the 3 distinct collinear points, then there are 3 possibilities. Now what are the possibilities here? This one, either P, Q, this one Q lies between P and R, or R lies between P and Q, or P lies between Q and R. Now point now here in the first case here, if you find out this one, distance PQ plus distance QR, this is equal to distance PR, then we say that the point Q lies between P and R. In the second figure here, if distance PR plus distance QR is equal to distance PQ, then R lies between P and Q. And here in the third figure, if distance PR plus distance PQ is equal to distance QR, then P lies between Q and R. Now let us now see here this solved example here. Now on a number line, points A, B, C are such that distance AB is equal to 5, distance BC is equal to 5, and distance AC is equal to 6, which is the point in between the other two. Now we know that distance BC is equal to 11. Now take the smaller other two distances and find out their sum if it is equal to 11 or not. Now distance AB plus distance AC is equal to 5 plus 6 is also 11. So what we get? Distance BC is equal to distance AB plus distance AC. Now this between AB and AC, which point is common? A is common. So A will lie between the other 2 points B and C, like this. Okay, so A lies between B and C. This way also you can, using the figure also you can understand. Now here same way, now see this one. Next here the practice set 1.1 we will see. Now let us see the next this one, practice set 1.1. Find the distances between the points with the help of number line. Now first you have to find out the distance BE. Now distance BE, the coordinate of B is 2 and coordinate of E is 5. So distance BE will be equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Then distance JA. Now JA, the coordinate of J is minus 2 and coordinate of A is 1. Even from the number line we know the coordinate on the left side is smaller than the coordinate on the right hand side. So minus 2 is less than 1. So distance JA will be equal to 1 minus minus 2, that is minus into minus is plus, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then distance PC you have to find out. PC will be given by 3 minus minus 4. So minus into minus is again plus, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then distance here, if the coordinate of A is X and that of B is Y, then find the distance AB. Now X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 7. So 1 is less than 7. So distance AB will be equal to 7 minus 1, that is equal to 3. If X is equal to 6 and Y is equal to minus 2, now we know that minus 2 is less than 6. So distance AB will be 6 minus minus 2, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. If distance PR is equal to 7 and distance PQ is equal to 10, distance QR is equal to 5, then find out the sum here. So distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So distance PQ is that is equal to distance PQ. So therefore again here between this here two distances here, point R is common. So R lies between P and Q. So the betweenness is R lies between P and Q. Now the next sum here, distance D is for sixth one. Distance P is equal to 5. Distance EF is equal to 8. Distance DF is equal to 6. Then distance DE plus DF is equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. It is not equal to 8. So there is not betweenness relation between the 2 points. Then the fourth one, distance AC is 8. Distance BC is equal to 8. Then you have to find out the betweenness relation is there. Now distance AB is equal to distance AC minus distance BC. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Then again this possibility is also there, that this way the points can be there. So here what we see, AC is 10 and BC is equal to 8. So in this case here distance AB will be equal to BC plus AC, that is equal to 8 plus 10 equal to 18. Now the fifth sum is here xy is equal to 17, yz is equal to 8. Then xz will be equal to 17 plus 8, that is 25. Now sketch the proper figure and write the answers to the following question. If ABC and length AC is equal to 11, BC is equal to 6.5, then find out AB. So now this way here you will get. So from this figure only you can find out distance AB will be equal to distance AC minus distance BC. So length AC is equal to AB, this one AC minus BC, that is 11 minus 6.5, that is equal to 4.5. Then here in this figure here, this one xz is equal to 3 root 7, xy is equal to root 7, find out yz. So yz will be given by 3 root 7 minus root 7, that is equal to 3 minus 1, that is into root 7, that is 2 root 7. Then which figure is formed by the three non-collinear points? The triangle is formed by the three non-collinear points.